Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Car Battery Cable Replacement Guide 2024. When was the last time you thought about your car's battery cables? These often overlooked components play a crucial role in your vehicle's performance. Without a solid connection, your car won't start, and you could find yourself stranded. In 2024, replacing worn-out or damaged battery cables becomes even more important due to newer vehicle technologies demanding higher performance standards. This video will show you why replacing your car battery cables in 2024 is not just a good idea, but a necessity. Learn about the signs that indicate it's time for a replacement, the steps involved in the process, and how ensuring a strong electrical connection can keep your car running smoothly. Buckle up, and let's get your car back on the road with confidence. Understanding car battery cables. Car battery cables are the lifeline of your vehicle's electrical system. They ensure the smooth flow of electricity, powering everything from the engine to the radio. Let's break down the essentials of car battery cables so you can understand their importance and how they work. Types of car battery cables. Not all car battery cables are created equal. There are 4 main types, each serving a different purpose. Positive cables. These cables are usually red. They connect the battery's positive terminal to the car's starter and electrical system. They are thicker due to the higher current they need to handle. Negative cables. Typically black in color. They link the negative terminal of the battery to the car's frame or engine block. They are crucial for completing the electrical circuit. Starter cables. These cables run from the battery to the starter motor. They carry a heavy current to crank the engine. It's important for these cables to be in top condition, especially in cold weather. Ground cables. Ground cables connect the car's frame to the engine block. They help in stabilizing the electrical system. These cables ensure that the entire vehicle remains grounded, preventing electrical faults. Functionality of battery cables. How do these cables work, and why are they so important? The answer lies in their ability to transmit electrical current effectively. Electricity transmission. Battery cables carry the electrical current from the battery to the various components of the car. They ensure that your car's starter motor gets the power it needs to start the engine. Positive cables deliver power, while negative cables provide the return path to complete the circuit. Impact on vehicle performance. If your battery cables are corroded or damaged, it can lead to poor vehicle performance. Bad cables can cause slow engine cranking, dim lights, or even prevent the car from starting. Regular checks and maintenance of battery cables help keep your vehicle running smoothly. In summary, understanding the types and functions of car battery cables helps you appreciate their role in maintaining your vehicle's performance. By ensuring your cables are in good condition, you can avoid many common car problems. Make sure to inspect your battery cables regularly for any signs of wear and tear. Signs you need to replace your car battery cables. Replacing car battery cables isn't just about keeping your car running, it's about ensuring your rides are smooth and trouble-free. Ignoring worn-out battery cables can lead to a slew of problems, some of which might even leave you stranded. Here's how to know when it's time to swap out your car battery cables. Corrosion and damage. One of the most obvious signs that your battery cables need replacement is corrosion. Corrosion looks like a white, ashy substance that can appear around the battery terminals and cables. Noticing this buildup is a clear indicator. Inspect the battery terminals and cables regularly. If you spot this white chalky gunk, clean it off, but if it keeps coming back, it's time to consider new cables. Physical damage like frayed wires or cracked insulation is another sure sign. If you see any exposed wires or worn-out insulation, replacing these cables is crucial for maintaining a strong connection. Electrical issues and performance problems. Having trouble starting your car or experiencing electrical problems could mean your battery cables are on their last legs. Here are common symptoms. Slow engine start. If your engine cranks slowly when starting, it might be due to a weak connection that can't supply enough power. Dim lights. Are your headlights dimming or flickering? This could be because of poor electrical flow from corroded or damaged cables. Electrical failures. Gadgets like your radio or dashboard lights might malfunction or stop working entirely due to inconsistent power supply. Watch out for these signs to keep your car in tip-top shape. If you notice any, consider checking your battery cables. It could save you from a lot of hassle down the road. Choosing the right replacement cables. Selecting the right replacement cables for your car battery is crucial. The right cables can ensure your vehicle starts efficiently and lasts longer. Here are key points to consider. Material and gauge considerations. When choosing replacement cables, the material and gauge size are vital. Copper versus aluminum. Copper cables. Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity, meaning it can carry more current with less resistance. This property makes copper cables highly efficient in delivering power from your battery to your vehicle's engine. Aluminum cables. Aluminum is lighter and cheaper than copper. However, it's not as conductive, which means it might not perform as well, especially in colder climates or under heavy loads. Gauge size. Gauge size refers to the thickness of the cable. The general rule is the lower the gauge number, the thicker the cable and the more current it can carry. 04 gauge cables. Ideal for most standard engines. They offer less resistance and more efficient power transfer. 4/6 gauge cables. Suitable for smaller engines or short cable runs. They are usually less expensive but might not handle high power demands as effectively. Choosing the right material and gauge size ensures your battery can deliver the necessary power to your vehicle efficiently and reliably. Compatibility with your vehicle. Ensuring your replacement cables are compatible with your vehicle is essential. Check your vehicle's manual. Your manual will specify the type and size of the cables your vehicle requires. This information is crucial because using the wrong cables can lead to poor performance or damage. Consider the make and model. Different vehicles have different electrical systems. What works for a Ford might not be suitable for a Toyota. Checking compatibility guarantees that the cables will fit perfectly and function as intended. Consult a professional. When in doubt, it's always a good idea to consult with a mechanic or automotive professional. They can help you select the best cables for your specific vehicle. By focusing on these compatibility factors, you ensure your new battery cables fit seamlessly with your vehicle, providing optimal performance and reliability. Selecting the right cables is about understanding these key elements and choosing what best suits your vehicle's needs. With these considerations in mind, you can make an informed choice and keep your car running smoothly. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover how to replace your car battery cables step by step. See you in the next video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.